Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a detailed review of the Lexus IS500, one of the most exciting performance sedans on the market right now. If you're looking for a blend of luxury, aggressive styling, and raw V8 power in a compact package, this car might just be what you've been waiting for. Let's start with the exterior design. The Lexus IS500 makes a bold first impression. It keeps the sleek and athletic silhouette of the IS lineup but adds some serious muscle. You'll immediately notice the bulging hood, raised slightly to accommodate the powerful V8 engine underneath. The front fascia features the signature Lexus spindle grille, blacked out and flanked by sharp, aggressive LED headlights. The wider fenders, quad exhaust tips, and subtle rear lip spoiler hint that this isn't your average luxury sedan. It rides on 19-inch NKI alloy wheels that not only look great but are also lighter, improving performance. From any angle, the IS500 looks like it means business. Inside, the IS500 continues to impress. The cabin is refined and driver-focused, with high-quality materials throughout. You get a mix of soft leather, aluminum accents, and subtle contrast stitching that reminds you you're in something special. The seats are both comfortable and supportive, especially the front sport seats that hold you firmly in place during spirited driving. Lexus infotainment system now includes a 10.3-inch display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, though it still uses the touchpad controller, which can take some getting used to. You also get a premium Mark Levinson sound system in higher trims, which truly elevates the experience. Every detail feels intentional and luxurious. Now let's talk performance, the heart of the IS500. This car is powered by a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine that produces 472 horsepower and 395 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, making it a purist's dream in an age of downsized turbocharged engines. The throttle response is immediate, and the sound from the quad exhaust is nothing short of glorious. Lexus claims a 0 to 60 time of just 4.4 seconds, which is impressive for a sedan of this size and comfort level. The suspension has been retuned for a sportier yet still refined ride, and the handling is sharp, making it just as enjoyable on a back road as it is on a highway. As for pricing, the Lexus IS500 starts at around $59,000 for the base F Sport performance trim. If you step up to the premium trim with more features and luxury touches, you're looking at closer to $64,000. For what it offers, a V8 engine, luxury build quality, and daily usability, it's a compelling package that undercuts European rivals. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car content just like this. See you in the next one.